Welcome to The Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Look, if you work in the world of enterprise systems, you already know the drill. Connecting massive, complex architectures, well, it can sometimes feel like trying to untangle a giant web of wires, right? It takes deep expertise, a ton of patience, and a whole lot of time. But today, we're exploring something that is fundamentally changing the game. We're looking at how the SAP Integration Suite has just introduced generative AI to drastically accelerate how you create integration flows. We're going to unpack exactly how SAP AI is stepping in as your new intelligent co-pilot and how it's totally changing the way integration consultants and architects build, manage, and scale their system connections. But before we get into the actual tech, let's talk about the reality of the job. Seriously, are you tired of building integration flows by manually dragging and dropping components? If you've spent any time in integration platforms, you know exactly what I mean. The tedious pain of mapping fields, drawing endless lines between boxes, debugging those frustrating connection errors, doing all that repetitive manual work just to connect different enterprise systems. I mean, it's essential work, sure, but let's be honest, it's exhausting and just incredibly time-consuming. Now, imagine if instead of manually piecing all that together, you could just tell the system what you need it to do. So here is our roadmap for this explainer. First up, the AI integration revolution. Then we'll cover enabling generative AI. Next, building iFlows with AI. And finally, we'll take a look at the future with SAP Joule. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The AI Integration Revolution.
So for years, the SAP Integration Suite has been this go-to cloud platform for businesses that need to connect applications, data, and processes across on-premise and cloud environments. It's always been robust, but by injecting generative AI into this environment, SAP isn't just dropping a minor feature update. No, they're revolutionizing the very nature of system connections. We are literally stepping out of the era of pure manual construction. To really grasp this, let's define AI-assisted generation of integrations. This is a brand new feature utilizing SAP artificial intelligence to automatically create integration flows, what we often call iFlows, based on a consultant's plain language description. Just think about that for a second. The system asks for a description of your scenario. You just type it out in natural language, and the AI uses that input to automatically generate the flow. It completely replaces complex, manual design with simple text. It's just a massive leap forward. And what's really interesting here is how these core benefits directly solve the everyday headaches of integration architects. First off, you immediately reduce manual intervention. That automatically strips away all those tedious, repetitive tasks that just drain your creative energy. And since the AI relies on established, highly optimized architectural patterns, you significantly reduce errors, so no more accidental mapping mistakes or weird misconfigured drops. All of this rolls up into the ultimate goal here, a massive increase in consultant productivity. Basically, you're spending way less time building the plumbing and way more time focusing on high-level architecture and actual business outcomes. Moving right along to Section 2, enabling generative AI. Okay, so that all sounds incredible, right? But theory is only half the battle here. Let's get practical. I don't want to just talk about what this does. I want to show you exactly how to turn it on. You might think activating advanced AI inside a massive enterprise platform would be this huge, complicated ordeal, but it's remarkably simple. Step 1, log into your integration tenant. Step 2, go to Settings, click on Integrations, hit Generative AI, and choose Edit. From there, you just enable the checkbox and hit Save. Done. That is literally it. In 2 fast steps, you've unlocked the power of SAP AI within your tenant. No massive implementation guide needed just to flip the switch. Okay, Section 3, building iFlows with AI. All right, the tenant is ready, so this is where the rubber meets the road. It's time to build our very first integration flow using AI. We're going to walk step by step through the generation process so you can see exactly how to make the AI do the heavy lifting. Here is your 6-step blueprint. Step 1 is the setup, and it's super cool. Add your relevant systems in the SAP BTP cockpit. Why does that matter? Because once they're in there, the AI automatically scans those systems and their APIs. They become instantly visible in your sender and receiver lists later. It makes linking systems phenomenally easy. Okay, Step 2. Navigate to Integrations and APIs and click Edit. Step 3. Click Add, then Integration Flow. Step 4. Choose that brand new option, Generate Integrations with Assistance from AI. Step 5. This is where you work your magic. Simply describe your scenario in plain text, choose your pre-scanned sender and receiver systems, and click Send. Finally, Step 6. Click Generate. Boom!
You've just generated a complex iFlow without manually dragging a single component onto the canvas. Pretty amazing, right?
Which brings us to Section 4, the future with SAP Joule.
Now, the capability we just walked through is available today, but SAP definitely isn't stopping there. What we've seen is really just the foundational layer. Later this year, SAP is pushing this even further, placing their AI copilot, SAP Joule, at the absolute center of integration design and ushering in a truly autonomous future. This contrast brilliantly illustrates the massive paradigm shift we're looking at. Look at the before state, dragging components and designing flows manually, a very static, highly manual era. Now compare that to the future, describing integrations in plain language for SAP Joule to translate across systems. Joule isn't just going to spit out static flows. Because it's so tightly woven in, it will actually help you refine and evolve those flows dynamically as your business requirements change. It becomes this continuous conversational design process.
But the real kicker here? The AI absolutely does not stop at the design phase. Once your integrations are live, an upcoming AI-powered anomaly detection capability takes over the operations side. This system continuously monitors APIs and integration performance in the background. It actively detects unusual errors and sudden traffic spikes. It identifies suspicious access patterns and those frustrating latency issues. And here's the best part. It actually recommends corrective actions. It doesn't just ping you saying, hey, something broke. It provides proactive recommendations to fix problems before they escalate into massive system-wide outages.
So the crucial point is summarized beautifully in our source material with this quote. This shifts integration from reactive troubleshooting to intelligent, self-improving operations. For anyone managing a complex enterprise landscape, that is the holy grail. Faster issue identification, crystal clear insights into root causes, and proactive fixes. It dramatically improves efficiency while simultaneously dropping the overall cost of operations. The system literally learns to maintain itself better over time. Which brings us to a final provocative thought I want to leave you with today. Will your workflow be ready when intelligent, self-improving operations become the standard? Because make no mistake, this isn't just a passing trend. This is rapidly becoming the new baseline for enterprise architecture. The tools to automate all that tedious work and elevate your role are sitting right there. I highly challenge you to dive into your tenant, turn these features on, and start mastering your SAP AI skills today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I really hope it sparked your curiosity, and I absolutely can't wait to see what you build.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.